Every cell in our body is like an engine, and like the engine in a car, for example, each cell requires fuel to run and also produces waste byproducts that must be eliminated. The circulatory system delivers the fuel that cells require, including oxygen provided by the respiratory system and nutrients provided by the digestive system. The circulatory system also removes cellular waste byproducts, including carbon dioxide, which is expelled from the body by the respiratory system, and waste byproducts dissolved in water, which are filtered and eliminated by the urinary system. Eliminating soluble waste is not the only function of the urinary system. It is also one of the most important organ systems involved in maintaining the proper composition of our blood. The urinary system is responsible for regulating blood volume and blood pressure, regulating the concentration of sodium, potassium, chloride, calcium, and other ions in the bloodstream, and stabilizing the pH balance of the blood. If any one of these regulatory functions were to fail, the result would quickly be fatal. The urinary system consists of the kidneys, the ureters, the urinary bladder, and the urethra, the most important and complex kidneys. Purplish brown in color, the kidneys are about the size of a human fist and shaped like, well, kidney beans. The beans were named after the kidneys, not the other way around. The kidneys are located on each side of the spinal column, behind the abdominal cavity wall, just above the waistline. Eliminated. Our kidneys work as a filter to preserve as much of our body's water volume as possible. If they didn't, or couldn't, we would die of severe dehydration. Healthy kidneys filter all the blood in our body every 30 minutes. They filter and remove approximately 1.5 liters of urine every 24 hours. This would fill about 2.5 bathtubs in a year's time. The urinary system's regulatory role in our body is geared towards producing a condition called homeostasis. This word literally means standing still or stationariness. In this context, it is used to describe the proper balance of chemicals and other substances in the body and the harmonious functioning and coordination of all the various bodily processes and organ systems. The kidneys contribute to homeostasis by maintaining proper blood volume and pressure, by regulating the balance of chemicals and other substances in the body's fluids, particularly the crucial amount of sodium, and by regulating the pH, or acidity and alkaline levels of the bloodstream. Urination is one of the most basic and visible processes of the body, but as we've seen, it is far from simple. The organs of the urinary system are constantly filtering our blood to remove the waste products caused by cellular metabolism and other harmful substances, and are largely responsible for maintaining the crucial balance of homeostasis, which is essential for life.